Welcome to the short conversation around the MHFA Support App. So in this short video, I want to show you how to use the MHFA Support App. Now, there are four key things I want to show you. One, how to set up a new contact. For this example, we're going to use your own name. Two, how to log and save a conversation. Three, introduce you to the Hub of Hope app. And then finally, show you how to use the insights. So let's get started. How to set up a new contact. So when you open up the app, you'll see the Samaritans, Hub of Hope, Shout, and then the MHFA resources and the newsletter. At the bottom of the page, you'll then see Home, Contacts, and Insights. So for this, let's press Contacts. Now, as you open this up, it will then say you have no contacts. So in the top right-hand corner, you'll see an icon of a person and a plus. Press that and you will see New Contact. So for this exercise, simply use your own name. So for me, it would be Peter Larkum. Then click Save Contact. You should then see your name appear. And so click on your name and it will then say you have no conversations. So here's part two, how to log and save a conversation. So in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll then see a green circle with a plus in it. Click on that and it will say Log Reflective Note, Add Wellbeing Reminder, or an X. So let's click on Log Reflective Note. It will then ask you to enter a date. So let's go for today's date. And then the duration, which is 20. Now you can't put any minutes in this, so it would just be the number 20. So if the conversation's an hour and a half, it would be 90. And then click on the situations and you'll see a drop-down menu. Now you can choose up to 3 of these situations from the left menu, but let's go for mental health issues and workplace stress. And then click done. And then the next tab is signposting. You'll again see a drop-down list. So let's select EAP and GP and then click done. You can then add a note. So if you would like to, it would be about my aunt's cat. But for now, let's just leave it blank. Then click Save Conversation. What will happen is you'll see the conversation has then been logged and the situation and signposting are now showing as green bubbles. So let's try that again. Are you ready? So click on your name and you'll see First Log Conversation. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the green circle with the plus in it. So click on that and it will then say Log Reflective Note, Add Wellbeing Reminder, or the X. So let's click on Log Reflective Note. It will then ask you to use today's date. And then for the second conversation, let's go for a duration of 30 minutes. Then click on Situation and you'll see the drop-down menu. Now you can add up to 3 situations, but from this, let's go for financial issues and relationship issues. And then click Done. The next tab is titled Signposting. Again, you'll get the drop-down list. You can select up to 3. So let's go for HR, friends and family, and support groups. And then click Done. You can then add a note if you'd like to about my aunt's cat. But for now, let's leave that blank. And then click Save Conversation. What you'll then see is that the conversation has again been logged and is now showing as green bubbles. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to encourage you to log on one last conversation, and then you'll have 3 conversations logged. But for now, click the back button where you'll then see your name again. And in the bottom, I'd like you to click on the Home button. And then you'll see Samaritans, Hub of Hope, Shout, and the MHFA resources and newsletter. So let's look at number 3, introducing you to the Hub of Hope on the app. So let's click on Hub of Hope in the top right-hand corner. It will then ask you to use your current location, but for this example, just click Don't Allow. And then in the middle of the page, you'll see an address, city, or postcode. And so what I'd like you to do is click in SO22, find Winchester, which is my hometown. Click that magnifying glass, and you'll then see all the mental health provision in my local area. In the top left of the page, you'll also see Update Concerns. And when you click on that, you can scroll through the drop-down list. So for this example, let's go for anxiety and depression, but again, you can choose up to 3 concerns. Scroll back to the top, click on Show Results, and then the app will show you the results in my local area. Now, it will be highlighted in blue, and again, it will be sorted by distance. And the more you play around with this, the better it is. It really is brilliant, because if you're supporting someone on the other side of the country, you can put their postcode in and find the local support that's available to them. So finally, let's show you how to use the insights. Again, top left-hand corner, click Done, and then let's go to the bottom of the home page and you'll see Home, Contacts, and Insights. So let's click on Insights. As you do this, it will then show you the 2 conversations that you've already logged and the number of conversations you've had. It will also show you the average minutes per conversation, the most frequent situations you've spoken about, and the most frequent signposting you've offered. It's a great tool to help you track how much time you're using in the MHFA conversations, as well as teaching you how to diversify your conversations and encouraging you to explore more signposting options. And don't forget to use the Hub of Hope during your mental health first aid conversations if you feel it is appropriate to do so. And so there it is, a whistle-stop tour of the Mental Health First Aid Support app. But if you have any questions or need any other support, please don't hesitate to get in contact. And again, log another conversation now or give me a chat on hello@peterlarkum.com. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that's helpful.